you know. We would love to see like faucets, purple, green, blue, whatever you name it. Like you have the colors you really want to see. It's our team working really hard to get that. It's absolutely 100% handmade. Team been working really hard for months to get this to you because it's a lot of love, and then we working so close to make sure everything is, even from a petal, is like absolutely a perfect quality that we want and the style that we want for ours, you know, amazing glitz lover. So I did one coat of condensed glue gels, and now we moving on using a no wipe top coat. And so now a lot of you usually doing it just a condensed glue gels, and then you put some crystal on, and then you sprinkle the crystal. So what happened is all of between the edges and the gap between the diamond dust pixie, you still have a tacky layer. So if you put some the wipes in there, it might stuck the lens in there. It doesn't remove completely. So that's why in a few days you notice that all the clients will call in and say, why is it getting so dirty on furs and just looks so messy. And they were like, oh, I don't want to do anymore. But just at how that's how is the no wipe top coat is coming in. And it's not only grabs all that diamond dust pixie for you, also it's completely clear, I mean dry. There's no tacky layer after you finish it. Then you don't have to worry about it getting all the dirty look or sticky and stuff like that. Oh, I really like that. I just want to add some crystal on it. Absolutely, you don't have to. That is awesome, Eric.
I think at the end of the line, you might just drop one flower on it. Otherwise, people are gonna go nuts.
Oh, you want to see the flowers? All right, so you want to see it. I have so many of them, and I will show you how you can do that flowers and encapsulating as well. So I can't wait. You can do that and encapsulate this underneath of your clear coat. If you have poly gels or you have is like a hard gel, you can absolutely do that as well, like encapsulating or acrylic. The clients will love it. So many clients were asking for that. All right, so do you want to see one flowers on that? Okay, so we need a little tray.
Like they want red rose on the Gucci now, right now. Like you have to.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, but then it's gonna take it away of a lot of things. But I can't do that. Well, let me see. Give me the red rose. I have a smaller one, or that's a big one. Ha! So you want to replace this rose? This is not good enough.
So either that, a little darker.
All right, let people pick.
This guy.
Let people pick.
This guy is way too big.
Yeah, this one might take it away. Well, this one I can't wait because I'm gonna show you how to do this one. It's so cute.
But yeah. So
And also we have a leaves ready too. So you want this one right there? Okay, red rose. Hold up. Hey, Dom. Sarisa. The third one. 1, 2, 3. This one?
super red.
Super red. What more roses?
Oh, that is hot.
You know what?
You might need a little more.
I need more, a little bit more condensed glue gel, which is awesome. No problem at all. Here you go, everyone. This is so wow with our condensed glue gel. It's gonna hold this baby rose, and like, I know that Mika wants some. She can't wait. She's been patient for months. Right, Mika? Oh my God, Miss Nancy, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. So what's up now? What's up now? So I shouldn't do any pixie at all. Just kidding.
I don't think you even need Pixie, but why not?
You want pixie still?
Like just let it feel the rest. So it's bling out. So some small Pixie to bring up the big flower.
This rose is everything and it stay. Okay, let's play with this pixie and how it turn out.
Yep. Yeah, that's right.
So we have yellow. You can do yellows or you can do AB. All right, see, our plan has changed completely. It's okay. I love it. Okay, can you help me close that one? AB. You guys are so amazing and spoiled because I love it. I wouldn't like not say no to all of you. So now we did the no wipe top coat, and that will help so much when you finish. You're gonna absolutely. Oh, look at that! You can absolutely feel them. Usually with the clients now, it's easy for me to do because they can hold their own hands, like, you know. Be honest, doing a human being nails so much easier than doing this, but I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's only one we need. Let me move this one. Might as well just do it in the center. How about that?
Yeah, you already have it.
Yeah, oh my god, the base is perfect. The base is really great. Diamond Dust Pixie is holding, the condensed glue gel hold. It's really, really amazing. All right, here, tap it down. Make sure you are tapped on the side so none of them are hanging off on the edges. And then you're gonna cure this for 60 seconds. And we're gonna using precision glue to really seal this baby, well, super cute, gorgeous flowers. All right, so you see? Oh, this one is super cute. Keep it straight for me. Oh, there's like, when can I able to like finish 12,000 flowers demonstration for all of you? It's over 12. We're just counting it to make it like
Yeah, Foxy
acrylic. Foxy is acrylic, 100% acrylic. It was pre-made from handmade. Every single petals from one of the team working with Glitz. So you can sit back and ensure that your quality of flowers are really like selective. Every single petals. So it's not plastic, it's acrylic powder.
Somebody sit down and do every single one of these.
Yep. You have to experience it by yourself, like in person, to see this amazing, that how this flowers, it just blow my mind. We've been working on this project for quite a long time, and it's really amazing how the team can able to really deliver it to us. So I'm gonna do this precision since you are all here with me, so we can finish this nails. And its base stay really concrete right here. It's not going anywhere. You don't know how many clients that we have to asking a 3D. You know, I used to, when the clients call in and they want 3D, they want specially with 3D like this. We're gonna do this session together when we have some time. This is take a long time session to do every single petals, and we'll show you how to do this. But take quite a long time if you want to learn it, absolutely yes. But even at the salon, when the clients order this, usually I do each flowers like this with the client's order is $15. It's just the flowers only for the clients, and then plus not including of any other crystals added on. So if you get this flower, make sure you are consult the clients. And I promise the clients will be so thrilled. They will flip up the chain and say, oh my God, let's do it. And you can finish it and put the flowers on it. The clients will see so much different. And it saves you so much time. You don't have to worry about designing. Usually it take me nearly like, for this 40 each petal, you not like doing it the same way that I'm doing with the flat 3D. This is like you do each petals and then you have to put them together. So it will take me like really good. It's quite almost an hour if I do it fast, because you have to let it set first. You have to let your petal to set first before you can set it together. When I took a class for this, it was really a good instructor. She's amazing teaching it. I said, wow, it's such a really piece of art for that. All right, so I sealed all on the edges and then on the base of the flowers, and then we are going to cure this for another 60 seconds, and this now want to be beautifully done.